Stop by and take a look at the 2018 300. The Chrysler 300 combines sport and luxury in one unique and powerful package. If you're looking for elegance and performance, the 300 delivers and is priced below $25,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, rear window defroster, compass, trip computer, electronic stability control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.